everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on UZALO from the 30th of October to the 3rd of November 2023 on Monday. Mondli kaHlelo down in Kunzi and nomzamo and nomkhosis party. Sibu cannot show himself in a public after being ridiculed by school driver and Mzwezo on Tuesday. Hlelo can't escape the consequences of her actions, but lead his followers to a new beginning. Kunzi saves the people of Ndendle from a lifelong dilemma on Wednesday. Mondli is hell-bent on making sure Hlelo faces the full might of the law, and Mbata pulls off a successful part haste on this day. Sibonelo received his mother's blessing to take on a challenge. An enemy helps Sibongiseni align with the truth. School driver and Mzwezwe provoke Njinji on Friday. Njinji stronger arms the Hlobo into taking Nomaswazi and Sibonelo on an all expenses paid trip. Kapsile's visit to Hlelo gives her something to think about. Mbata is not the happiest when he's dealt a warning. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.